This 1968 Series 1.5 XKE Roadster is a matching numbers car in need of a straightforward restoration. It's all there. Been sitting since 1988. What's nice about these Series 1.5 cars is they still retain the Series 1 rear tail lights, which is an attractive design. And these are a good value if you're in the XKE market for a 4.2 Roadster. Honest original car with a straight body, has a little bit of rust, never been restored, extremely original, offered at a bargain price, well worth the effort to turn around and get back on the road again.